Rocky Road, man. What's up, young rollers? They out here. Early morning. My young. They doing all right. They doing good. They starting to go higher. You know, it's still hot. You see them just enjoying themselves, man. They ain't quite getting all the way up yet, but they doing their thing, man. Rocky Road, man. You see the young. They out doing their thing. What the fuck? Look at that hawk, y'all. Look at that fucking hawk. Look at him. See his bitch ass? Look at that motherfucking hawk, y'all. Damn, hell nah. It's motherfucking hawk. Want more birds. Look at his bitch ass. He ain't gonna get them. They smart. He ain't gonna get them. I ain't scared. Look at my birds going up. He ain't gonna get none of them. Bitch ass red tail. Get the fuck out of here. You can't catch a roller, my nigga. Fuck it. We gonna see what he do. What you gonna do with your bitch ass? Look at my bird. Got a couple of my birds right here. He trying, but they up there. Fuck him. Take off, y'all. Take off. Take off. Oh, y'all, take off. You see it. Young rollers, man. Fuck a hawk, man. Fuck a red tail, man. That's what we do. Fuck a hawk. You see them up there, man. They way up there. They not together, but they up there. You see them. Take off. Oh, y'all. Take off on his ass. Fuck him. Fuck the hawk. Y'all seen it right here, YouTube. My birds ain't no stupid birds. They go up. The hawk come around, we just go up. We don't go in. We go up. That's like when the hawk come, we go up, nigga. We don't go in. That's what we do. And when they come down, they gonna be safe and sound. Fuck a red tail, nigga. He better hide in a tree or something. You come out in the open like that, nigga, we just go up, nigga. That's it. I ain't gonna call them. I'm gonna let nature take its course. Fuck it. A hawk get one, he get one. Fuck it. He get one, he get one. I'm still gonna scream him up. Get up. Yeah, you see them? Hawk gone. When he come back, we go back up. That's all we do. We go back up. Y'all stay away from them trees, though. That's where he at. When he come back, we just go up. That's all that means, man. The hawk come back, we go up. Fuck it. And I hope he come back, because I want them little niggas to go back up. I don't want them to land right now. I want them to go up. Young ones, they all squeaking. All of them squeaking. All of them. Take off with the rest. Hell yeah, I want them. Come on, Hawk, where you at? Come back. Send my niggas up again. Y'all seen it for yourself, man. We don't get scared about hawks around here, man. You know what I mean? I don't get scared about hawks around this place. Not me. Those motherfuckers gonna fly. If they die, they die. So they better run. That's how I do it. This shit like a movie to me, nigga. I don't care about losing a bird. I'll lose the whole fucking stock.